Good evening, Option Traders. This is Sam Brady Heat with your Sunday evening, September 22nd, 2024 option review video. Hope you're enjoying your weekend. And let's run through them and do it in quick fashion. AAP still open. We are harvested a couple of profit levels. We're up about 24% on the remaining. So side of the way. And we'll have to keep an eye on it. Looks like it could be rolling over, still holding 8-day, but I still think that has possibility to at least visit the 44, 45 area. So we've harvested 2 profit targets and we're waiting on our next. So far it's worked out to be a good bounce on this one. Abby going sideways, it's a put sale, we're up 43%. Expires in October, so we're 25 days from expiration. I think I'll do this again next month unless we run into earnings or what have you, but it's been a good play. We like sideways on a quick sale. Amazon looking great and rewarding us with our first 3 profit targets. Our next one here at 13, and we're at 1147 now, so who knows, if we have a bullish day on Monday, we could hit that next profit target. So it's been a nice hold for us. Took a while for it to work, but it's working. Bill pay, this is a January put sale of 14%. Nothing to say about this one very early on this, but just let this decay in our favor. CCJ, nice news on restarting 3 Mile Island. It benefited our CCJ uranium play. We took our first profit target on Friday, and we're heading for our second. I think that, if we can get above the 200-day again, then it's off to the races for CCJ. Had a nice day and looking for more. Disney, kind of a reversal of the market. Thursday it was down a bit, and then Friday it was back up on a down day. Can't complain, but we took our first profit target on here, heading for our second at $7, and hopefully we can get there soon. And we've got a lot of time on that play as well. DKNG, our sports betting play is up 81%. Thought we might get to our second profit target on Friday. Didn't quite do it. Going sideways, fighting with the 200-day here. My bet is going to break above. MACD is solidly positive. And I don't know, I don't see all of my chart here. Right. So that's what happens. EA, we stopped out of, so I got rid of that one, and I guess it's a good thing we did. Now it's below the 100-day and playing with the 200-day. That did not work out for us. And phase really started to look really good on Wednesday, with Thursday, Friday giving some back. So let me scroll down here. 70% still on this one. We're at $1.57. So yeah, it's working out so far. We've got till October 18th, so plenty of room and time in there. GM, our long-term play, going sideways, doing nothing. We're still down 15%. Maybe we'll do that till 2026. Google, after a nice run, running into 50-day resistance up here, we're waiting for our next price target about $8. We took our last price target on Thursday, and not doing anything wrong, looking good. So we can't complain too much about this one. Intel had interesting news on Friday where Qualcomm might be considering absorbing them. I'm not sure how that's gonna happen until much larger than, not market cap wise, but you think it'd be the other way around, but that's the fortune of Intel. In any case, we're below the 50-day. We didn't quite get to a next profit target on Friday, but actually we did. Let me make sure that, yeah, that was Friday. We did get 6 cents. So if this starts running above the 50-day, boy, we could make some really good money on this one. JP Morgan, our put sale, we're down to 11 cents on this. Not much to do because they have earnings on the 4th, so we don't have a lot of time, but we could potentially roll it up, but we're taking more risk. But I'm watching this one and deciding what we might do with this. Triple M, another 52-week high on Thursday, closing positive on Friday. This one's proving to be a nice perpetual put sale, so we'll take it. And we're up 37% on this last put sale in October. Match.com, nice 4-day run and then coming in a little bit. So this has until January. We're still down a bunch on this, but we have a lot of time, and I think that it'll get going, especially if we rally in the 4th quarter, which I expect to do. Oxy, not doing anything. We're down 8% on this play. We have not moved anywhere on energy. I guess we moved up on Thursday and then have a nice tail on this one. I'll say bottom tail hammer. I don't want to say that, but show my ignorance with some of these descriptions of the candles and charts. That's not me. But in any case, a lot of time on this one until January. PANW finally finding a bounce on Friday. Again, on a down day, this one finally bounces. So most of the cybersecurity stocks were positive on Friday. So this one's kind of getting back in there. We're up 35% on this roll spread. PG, another nice day with positive day for the defensives on Friday. We're up 61% on this split sale. We'll take it and keep doing it as long as it keeps working. SA are going sideways. This is our gold miner, our play in the gold miner space. We're up 9%. This one has till November. And if miners show any strength, then this one will be like this year. So we're getting close to closing this one out. We're at 9 cents. And we sold it 36. So we're at 75% profit. I'll be looking to do something with this one that I keep threatening to do. Our SPY hedge. We're down a whopping 477%, but it's not as bad as it looks. We sold it for a 9-cent credit. It's worth 52 cents, but this is the kind of play where if we never go down, we'll just keep the 9 cents. But for now, we put this on right before the big move on Thursday, so it's going to be a little bit out of the money. It's going to take time for that additional short put to decay, but it's our hedge. It may come in handy this week or next. We'll see. Not doing anything with that, by the way. STX finally its footing and trying to head a bit higher. We're up 92%. Finally, we rolled this out, so we're doing okay. And this one should turn out to be. It's been a long road since we rolled it from September options, but some of these repair jobs do really work. UNG had a nice day on Friday. We took another profit target on UNG, albeit at 94 cents. Now I want to bump this up. Well, we did take the 95 cents. I'm sorry. So let's take this one up to $1.25. So if we're going to see strength, we want to get $1.25 for the next one. So hopefully we can see UNG continue up since natural gas closed really well on Friday. Hopefully that continues. Continue with the energy space, our XLE, we have two plays, a short put. This is down to 10 cents. I'm gonna be looking to roll this one out and take another bite at the apple, so to speak. So 10 cents, for a 9% profit. So I'll look to roll this on any weakness this week. And then on the call spread, we're at 88%. Close to our, we took our second target. On Thursday, we're waiting for our next target at 450. So our timing was good on this, and finally, XLV going sideways, not doing much after a run. Again, we keep switching from defensive to risk on, and we're waiting for our next price target at $3. This is out till November. It's a 155, 160 call spread. It was quite a bit out of the money when we put it on, and now it's in the money, and we harvested free profit targets. So we can be patient with this one. We have a lot of time, and the put side of this particular play has really come down in price. Looking at a lot of stuff this weekend, hundreds of charts, and looking forward to some new trades and taking some of these off. If you have any questions, ask them in the forum or at Trader Geek on Twitter. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your Sunday evening, and we will talk again tomorrow. Take care. Bye.